Whether you're coming in as a new manufacturer, you've been here for a while, you need a good support service. And the capabilities, the experience, the mindset of the team at the machining center is just fantastic. So if you need machining, fabrication, design, engineering work, the machining center is available to do that. Kevin and Sarah and the entire team, they do such a great work. They're great corporate citizens. They're involved in so many aspects of the community, including on the local Quinte Manufacturing Association. When you're looking for a partner to help grow your manufacturing business, keep that equipment up and going, come up with new creative ideas to improve upon processes, implement technologies, advanced systems into your manufacturing environment, the Machining Center is the perfect partner to do that.